So folks, here we are on a beautiful Tuesday evening out in just off of Bayfield. Got a 35-foot catamaran. Winds are blowing about 16 knots, gusting 20 at the moment. Waves are building to 3/4 of a meter. Some of them are up around 1 meter. Taking a bit of green water over the bow, as you can probably see there. Just have to hold on here. Okay, so we got some green water. You can just see it. There we go. Probably saw it. There's a big one. I just had to duck underneath the canopy, the bimini there for a minute. Oh, just had something tear loose inside the boat. I don't know if you can see it. We got the jib trimmed pretty good, and we're sort of between close reaching, I would call it. Close reaching. Okay, that's enough for now. It's Mr. Timbit out.